I was on YouTube the other night and I came across a channel where a couple guys were reviewing cocktail smokers, and theirs was only a piece of oak from a barrel, and they were charging $35. So I decided to, why not try to make my own? So I went on Marketplace and I found 2 barrels for $50 a piece, and this is where all this started.
Too easy.
The inside of that barrel was amazing. It smells so good. And you can see the inside that was well charred. To mimic what the guys I seen on YouTube had a little groove around so the glass would sit in it when it's inverted. So I went to my toolbox and modified this tool. It didn't really work until I took this one out and modified it. So this is what it looked on the first pass, and then the second one is the end results. So I took a wooden bit, I just rounded the end on the bench grinder, and it worked fantastic. One of my friends tried to do the same thing with his lathe, but it was not time efficient. It was taking way more time than just using the press drill. So just the centering of the piece is what it took the most time. And since the wood was still wet from the alcohol, it was very easy to gouge. I'm very fortunate to have a double oven in the garage because I did some powder coating. Since the wood was so soaking wet from all the alcohol that was in there, it needed to dry. I tried to put the lighter to it and make it smoke. It would not smoke at all. So I put it in the oven multiple times, maybe 4 or 5 times before the wood would start to kill me down, basically. So the groove varies from smallest to 2.5 to 3 inch. Usually that's the size of opening of a cocktail glass. And wood was 1 inch thick. Like you can see in this part of the video, the wood was charred. I did it so many times just because I was so curious and the smell was good. So just removing the char that's over top. Doesn't need to be there. And then a normal lighter doesn't work well, so you have to use a torch. The lighter would basically put black, or it would blacken the piece of wood instead of actually lighting up with the butane torch. So I put some for sale on my on marketplace in my areas, and I don't know if they will sell, but they will make some good Christmas gift and friends gifts for very cheap. Anyway, hope you enjoy this.